Okay, this is the A feature factory stock.
Steve Jennings in the 44.
A feature.
Mike Moschek in the 25. Austin Mackey in the 27. And we go green. Richardson's got to get on the liner as Sullivan's right there in the middle, does not give an inch. A little bit of debris pops up in turn number 4. And leading the car battle out front, Ken Ewing in fifth. Talk about the action. Everybody's still racing.
This is the road. Posted right here. Cut a car down. Yeah. Cut the car down.
Oh, talk about an attempted slide job that went wrong. Wade Palmer went in there with a heavy foot, came out sideways with a full face with the 20.